Today we're making chicken chili with Chinese fried rice. Let's quickly learn the easiest chicken chili recipe ever. Take a bowl with 500 grams of boneless chicken, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, half to 1 teaspoon soya sauce, half to 1 teaspoon chili sauce, half ginger garlic paste and a pinch of salt for the taste. Then add half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Chlili Flakes, 2 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon cornflour, 2 teaspoon olive oil. Now mix it finely using your hands. Set it aside for at least 20 minutes. Take a bowl, take long grain rice 3 cups and soak into water and keep it on the side. Meanwhile, let's fry the marinated chicken now. Turn on the flame, take pan and add 2 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix. Then add 1 teaspoon soya sauce and vinegar. Add half cup chicken stock and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Give it a mix and add the chicken now into the pan. Mix it and add 5 to 6 green chilies. Let's now prepare the fried rice. Turn on the flame, add water according to your preference and add salt and olive oil. Now take 4 eggs, add into it black pepper and add food color. Now in a separate pan add the eggs and scramble it. Lastly, take a large frying pan. Add oil, ginger garlic paste half teaspoon, half cup carrots, half cup capsicum, half cup cabbage, half cup beans, and some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Add the cooked rice into it and we are ready. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.